Hello guys, Neopal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today it's a very exciting day. I've been waiting for this day for actually years now, because today we have the unboxing of the AirTags. Finally, they're real, and we even have some accessories. Okay, so I hope I'm not surprising you by now, but yes, finally after actually 2 years of rumors, they're here. Apple released AirTags. Yay! And here we have the 4-pack. As you can see, 4 AirTags should be here. And then we have the AirTag loop and the AirTag leather keychain to try out. So, of course, we're gonna start with the AirTags. We're gonna unbox all of them in the video and test them and see how they work. So, take this off. Ooh. And we have, this is actually, the box is fairly heavy. Okay, have documentation, then here, AirTags. And if we open it, it's kind of like a book, and here they are, my first time seeing AirTags in person. Wow, these are so cool. So I did engrave them, I'll show you now, but this one is blank. Okay, this one I didn't engrave. Oh, it's hot, it's cold. Then this one has a 3, I hope you can see, I'll show you a picture if not later. Then this one has my initials, DS. And this one has a 1. So I'm pretty sure you'll be asking yourself, like, why did you engrave one with a 1 and one with a 3? That is because I don't like even numbers at all. So I skipped the 2. Yeah, I'm that crazy. But yeah, I thought it was a good idea to engrave them because they're all the same otherwise. And it would be good to know which is which later. So that's it for this. We'll take one of them and pair it with my iPhone. Okay, so here it is. We'll take the one with my name, take off the peel. Ooh, this is shiny. Pretty sure it won't last long like that, but... So what you do is you pull off the last bit, to like this. And it starts ringing. Oh, and it's here, AirTag. Connect. Ooh, name AirTag. I'll name it... Name it keys. That's my number and my email. David's keys. Oh, it knows it's my keys. Ultra wideband. Okay, so we got it in the map. And directions in maps. Play sound. Find with Siri. Okay, clicked on. So this is now my keys, I guess. And that's it. So we're going to the Find My app. And under items, we can see my keys. Oh, David's keys. They even got the custom icon, so we can play a sound. I must say, it's not the loudest, but it's cool. This part is a little concave, so you will probably see like my recording setup, which is horrible. But it's a mirror, but it's kind of funny. But yeah, if you flip this like this, here's the battery, which you can change. User replaceable, which is very nice, and it's a fairly common battery. What else we can do with this? Okay, I'll set one more. I'll take the 1 AirTag and set it up as well. So take this off, place the little sound, and I have the AirTag. It sucks that it doesn't have the engraving in the animation, but I get why. So this one is going to be my backpack. Actually, let's do a custom name, see what we get. Yeah, that's my Apple ID. No, not wallet. I didn't want this to be my wallet. Okay, so I guess I'll show you how to change what AirTag is. Yeah, we find my... And that's David's wallet, which, hint, it's not. I don't even carry a wallet with me anymore. But yeah, so how can I change those mode enable rename item? All right, custom name. Ooh, now you can set your own emoji. That's cool. And your own name, which is even cooler. So I'll set this to be my camera. Sorry, did I find the camera emoji? Ah, oh, it's in Spanish. Yeah, this one. And here, camera. Okay. And that's my camera. That's funny. So now, next thing to do, of course, is to unbox the accessories. So I do have a use for 3 of these so far, not for the 4th one actually. But one of them I'm gonna use for when I travel, to put in the suitcase in case it gets lost or something. If you don't know which places to put an AirTag on, I made a video on that, which you can see here, I think. But yeah, so the other one I still don't have a use for. So if you have any suggestions, you can leave them down below in the comments. And they look so shiny and so good. That's so nice. But let's get to unbox the accessories. So we'll start with the leather keychain. Now I actually only was going to buy one accessory because they are expensive. They're more expensive than the AirTags themselves actually, which is very Apple, to be honest. Have some useless paperwork in there, and here it is. Okay, so it's very nice. We even have, so it's leather, which I don't like, but so this is going to go in my keys, so we'll put this one in here. Ooh, the S, and make the click. And it's very nice because it has the designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Super nice in there. I like how it looks, actually. And I can't see myself at the back. So I'll put this in my keys, my keychain, which, as you can see, really deserves some love. But I have the feeling that this is gonna get very scratched over time. But here it is. Now if I lose my keys, I'll be able to find them. Yay! That's so nice. And then this one is, how it's called? Loop. Okay. This one I'm actually more excited about because it's yellow, first of all. Second of all, it's silicone, not leather. I don't like leather. Oh, it's weird. It's not... It feels very papery, to be honest. That's so weird. I thought it was more silicone, especially this part feels very papery. I mean, I guess it's not paper, but we'll take this and put it here. And there we go. And then we can just put it through itself. Like so. And here we go. We can hang it off something. So I'm gonna hang this off my camera bag. I named it camera, but actually it should be backpack. But yeah, very nice, very yellow, super cool. So yeah, this is AirTags, ladies and gentlemen. Now I don't have an iPhone 11 or 12, so I cannot take advantage of the find in my same room features. But I can find them if I lose them elsewhere, which is nice. And yeah, it's only a matter of time that I don't have an iPhone 11 or 12. I'll get a new iPhone eventually. But yeah, super nice. So, this is not everything with AirTags. I'm gonna do an intensive coverage of AirTags. I'm planning some fun videos to make. Hopefully I'll find how to make them. Then also I'll make a full review on this. And yeah, if you have any video requests or anything you want to know in the review, leave it down below in the comments and I will address it. And yeah, that's gonna be everything for today's video. I'm actually very excited that AirTags are finally here. You cannot believe how much. I'll also find something for these 2 AirTags. So, if you have any questions, as I said, or anything you want me to cover in the review, leave it down below in the comments. Review should be coming very soon. And yeah, subscribe if you like the video, you like Apple. I post everything Apple. And also thumbs up if you like the video, because it really helps. Hopefully, if I get enough subscribers, I can actually get a table and not a cardboard. But yeah, it's been doing the job, so it's gonna remain like this. I do have tables, but it's harder. Anyway, thank you very much for sticking till the end for me saying stupid things, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.